Hi, I'm Neha from Art and Stuff. In this video, we are going to indulge ourselves in a very interesting, fun, and relaxing art therapy session. Take up any of your favorite sketchbooks, journals, or any notebook, or even a piece of paper. Any surface would work, you don't need to worry about that. To enjoy this art therapy session even more, you can also pair it up with your favorite hot or cold beverage or some snacks, whatever you like, because usually these art therapy sessions take 12 to 15 minutes or even take more. So just relax, sit back, and just enjoy the session. You can choose gel pens, ball pens, any colored pens, pencils, pencil colors, paints, markers, sketch pens, or anything that you like. Art therapy means the use of artistic methods to treat psychological disorders and enhance mental health. Art therapy is a technique rooted in the idea that creative expression can foster healing and mental well being. The goal of art therapy is to utilize the creative process to help people explore self expression and, in doing so, find new ways to gain personal insight and develop new coping skills. The creation of or appreciation of art is used to help people explore emotions, develop self awareness, cope with stress, boost self esteem, and work on social skills. There are many techniques that can be used in art therapy, for example, collage, coloring, doodling and scribbling, drawing, painting, sculpting, working with clay, or any of the art and craft. Other techniques can also be used. There are many benefits of art therapy. According to a 2016 study published in the Journal of the American Art Therapy Association, less than an hour of creative activity can reduce your stress and have a positive effect on your mental health, regardless of the artistic experience or talent. So, for art therapy, you really don't need any art background or any art experience. And in my art therapy episodes, I upload one video every month for art therapy, in which we discover different patterns and different doodling patterns, which can be drawn by anyone with any supplies they have. Art therapy is not only for adults but also for kids and children. So, art therapy can be used by any age of with or without any disorder. So, it is not important that if you have any mental health disorder, only then you can use art therapy. You can use art therapy just for fun or for relaxation. Like if you want to just relax after a hard day at work, or you just want to calm yourself, it's just like meditation. If you or someone you love is thinking about art therapy, there are some common misconceptions and facts you should know. First is, you don't have to be artistic. So people do not need to have artistic ability or special talent to participate in art therapy, and people of all ages including children, teens and adults can benefit from it. Some research suggests that just the presence of art can play a part in boosting mental health. The second is, it's not the same as an art class. So people often wonder how an art therapy session differs from an art class, where an art class is focused on teaching technique or creating a specific finished product. Art therapy is more about letting clients focus on their inner experience. So as you can see, all the episodes of my art therapy sessions focus on the process. Hence, most of them are real-time satisfying videos which are follow-up, so you can just play the video and follow along and draw with me. So that's the main point of art therapy. It's the process and not the final product. And the third is, art therapy can take place in a variety of settings. So you don't need to have a special art class or any kind of workshop or workspace for art therapy. You can just sit down on your bed with a pillow or your table, desk, or even in your office, or while traveling. It's your wish where you want to draw. You can literally indulge in art therapy anywhere and anytime. And art therapy is not for everyone. This is a very big misconception because most of the time people think that they might need any art experience or art background or any particular art supplies or surfaces for indulging in art therapy. But to be honest, you can just pick up a paper and a pen or a pencil, whatever you have, and start indulging in art therapy. The only motive of me using different kinds of supplies in different episodes of art therapy is because I myself indulge in art therapy during the recording of the video. So I make sure that I am creative enough and doing different techniques and different patterns to make sure that every video is different from the other one. So because I am a professional artist and I make videos and I do have a lot of art supplies, so I make sure that I use all my art supplies more often. So this was all for today's art therapy session. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can also watch the other episodes of art therapy and other videos on my YouTube channel. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and stay and subscribe to my channel to get notified whenever I post a video. And don't forget to clean up your space before ending the session. Keep all your sketchbooks and papers and all the supplies at the right place, and we'll see you in the next video.